Great. It's good to share with you. Thanks for praying at this important time of year for us here in Wales. My name's Simeon Baker. I'm the Director of Mission for the Baptist Union of Wales. I'd love to share with you some prayer points, how you can be praying for all the denominations across Wales. I'd love you to be praying for many of the churches that are coming out of COVID, and that's been a real challenge for many of them as they regather and get new vision. Mae'n bwysig bod ni yn gweddio dros ein capeli, dros Gymru. Mae'n eisiau anogaeth, cefnogaeth i'r eglwysi. Ac hoffwn ni gwahodd chi hefyd i weddio dros ein eglwysi sydd yn trial hyfforddi ar hyn o bryd i wneud mwy o gwaith cenhadol. Gweddio dros dyn nhw, bydden nhw werthfawrogi i'ch gweddiau. Our chapels would really appreciate your prayer. And as they try to engage in mission, coming out of this difficult time, they would so much appreciate your prayers as we seek God's will and his heart for this nation of ours in Wales. Diolch yn fawr iawn.